In this video I'm going to show you how to delete an Instagram account. So, to delete the Instagram account for whatever reason, you need to head to Instagram. Now, once you're on your Instagram, you need to go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, go to the hamburger menu and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you have clicked on Settings and Privacy, click on the first option, Account Censure. And from here, you want to go to Personal Details. And from here, you want to go to Account Ownership and Control. Then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Then tap on that Instagram account you want to delete. Click on it. And then you have two options. You can deactivate your account or you can delete your account. The difference is when you deactivate your account, it means that it's temporarily deactivated. It means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate through Account Censure or by logging into your Instagram account. If you choose delete your account, and deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. If you just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. So when you click delete account, continue, and you follow the on-screen instructions, you will permanently delete your account that instant. There is no like 30 days wait or whatever. So I would recommend you to deactivate and not delete, but that's up to you. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. If this video hasn't helped you out, please leave a comment with what was the issue and I will do my best to help you.